So assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I will do demo video to present our shell scripting programs. Okay, so we start with chessboard. So here we have the source code for chessboard. Uh, so we have this two for loops. Okay, that will run 9 times, and just to display the chessboard and to organize the color inside the chessboard. So let's run this program. It's clear. Yeah, so we will run the program. Yeah, so we see here, this is the output of our program in the specific size that has been given in the project instruction. So next thing we have the reboot file. So we have here, this is the source code for reboot.txt. We have this command. It will print the calendar for the current month, and this will print the current time and date, and this WB, this will print the last system boot, and this ls will print the last modification for this specific file, which is reboot.txt. So we will run our program. As usual, we use bash to run it. Yeah, so we have here the calendar, the current time and date, and system last boot, and here the last modification for this specific file. So let's clear this thing. Uh, Next thing, we have the backup file, source code. So we have here this first command will just print the calendar, and here we have this is the absolute back for the file that to be backup, and this line, it will just assign the terminal or the root to the desktop directory, and here this command will create a directory inside desktop called backup, and this is the destination where the backup files will be stored in, and this is just the date of backup. And we have here for loop. This for loop is to create a 15 backup files at one time. Yeah, as we see here, and this is just for this is the name of backup files. Yeah, so this thing, the backup will increase, start with backup file number 1 until 15, and then this is backup using tar tools, and this is echo just to let the user know that the backup has been, yeah, it's finished, and this is the date for the current date, and here will display, well, I mean, it will list the last modification for this backup files. So let's run our program. So before we run our program, let's check our files. We have desktop and then have the backup. So as we can see here, we have this 15 backup files. It's created before, so let's delete the entire thing. Yeah. Okay. So let's go back to the terminal and run this thing. Oh, sorry. We need to go to the root first. That's why it's gonna run. So we have to run our file. Yeah. So as we can see here, it ran the code and it create a 15 backup files one time. Yeah. So if we go back here, yeah, desktop, yeah, and then we have here our backup, and it contains of 15 backup files as we can see here. So that's it for creating a backup. Well, next thing we have the scheduled backup as it was specified in the project instruction. We have used the cron tab to schedule automatic backup. Okay. Yeah, so we have specify here. Okay, the automated one. So this zero here, it means the zero here. This means the minutes. So at 0 minutes, I mean it's at the first minute in the 12 hours. I mean at that the hours is 12. So at 12 exactly, okay, it will be backup, and then this asterisk refer to the date, so it means every. Okay, every, and this other asterisk refer to the month, so it means this asterisk means every month, and this six here means the day of the week, which we have specified. Okay, it's start from 0 to 7. So 0 is Sunday, and then 7 is the Saturday. So at this specific time, it will create a backup files, automated backup files. Okay, I mean, yeah, based on the scheduled here, and we have here the scheduled. Okay, to remove all files. Okay, on Saturday. Yeah, we just specify it at 12 every day every month. Okay, on Saturday. This 7 means on the every Saturday. Every Saturday at 12, it will remove all the backup files. Yeah, so let's go to our files. Yeah, or let's display the content of remove backup. Search. Okay, so we have here first line. Okay, and then this thing will just let the user know that this is the specified schedule for Saturday, and then all backup files will be deleted. And this command, Okay, it will delete all the backup files that are inside backup directory. So yeah, let's run. Before that, let's check that our home desktop. Yeah, we can see our backup directory is here, and it has 15 backup files inside it. So yeah, let's launch our backup file. That's it. Yeah, so as we can see here today, yeah, we assume that okay, we assume that it's today is Saturday, and we just run this command to delete all the backup files, or otherwise it will be automatically removed every Saturday at 12, as it was specified in the cron tab above. Okay, so let's check our desktop. Yeah, we can see here our backup already removed. So well, the last thing we have here, it's about that one was specified in the project instruction about extra credit, how to make the code run automatically when the system will be logged in. Okay, so we have just to go to this application, which is the startup application preferences. Okay, and then just add a new one. Then we can just maybe name it anything, maybe a report. Okay, and then we need to specify the command here, or we can just browse anything from here. Maybe you want to run this file once the system will be reboot. Okay, or anyone, maybe let's try this one, reboot.txt. Yeah, so yeah, and we can just put any comments here, like maybe hello, and then add it. So next time, so it has been added here. So next time when we will do a report for the virtual machine and we will open our Ubuntu, it will run automatically. So that's all, and thank you.